In this video, we will be seeing an Econoseal intermittent motion Spartan Cartoner, which then leads into an Econoseal Econocaser. This machine is sensitive to such conditions as no product, no carton erect, and no carton, no product loading. In this application, carton blanks are automatically erected with a dual-head rotary vacuum system and placed down on a flighted chain where the leading and trailing flights guide the carton through the machine. Here, we are loading 2 rows of product into a partition carton. The product is loaded onto a continuously moving belt conveyor, which then divides into 2 lanes, which leads to 2 separate load stations. At the first station, 3 bottles of product are knocked down and loaded into the lower row using an overhead pivot compound motion infeed. At the second station, the product is first elevated and then loaded into the upper row of the partition carton using the same style overhead pivot compound motion infeed. Once loaded, the carton passes by mechanically driven dust flap tuckers before passing a reverse tuck scoop and paddle station, which closes the top and bottom major flaps. To secure the lock, the carton then passes by a tuck set assembly and is then automatically discharged onto a second continuously moving belt conveyor. The cartons are fed onto a dead plate in the upstacking unit. Once the proper count is reached, the loaded cartons are elevated onto the second level. The process is repeated until the correct number has been achieved. At this point, the elevator plate stays in the up position, thus allowing the infeed pusher to transfer the cartons into the erected case. The dust flaps are then closed, and the loaded case is fed forward by the top and bottom belts into the taping section, where the case will be securely closed by the tape. A new case blank is then erected and put into position with the back dust flaps already closed to await the next load. The finished loaded case then exits the machine, at which point it is ready for palletizing.